Any idea, guys?
Mane.
Any Buddhist out here?
But I follow Buddhism too.
So you know what's this, right? So this is called Chorten. Okay?
Choten.
Chorten. C-H-O-R-T-E-N.
Choten.
Basically, there are 8 different kinds of Chorten, which symbolizes a very important and auspicious day in the life of Lord Buddha.
Okay.
Right? So it's even constructed as a cenotaph. I mean, as a tribute to someone who is great, who has done great deeds. In this situation, you can see the burst out here, right?
Yes.
This burst belongs to Sir Nawang Gambu. ये जो burst है, ये Sir Nawang Gambu का burst है. I mean, you know who is Sir Nawang Gambu? Any idea, guys? He is the first Indian to climb Mount Everest twice. In the year 1960 and in the year 1965. Right? And let me tell you one thing. As I told you already, this particular institute is premier institute of mountaineering, right?
Yes, sir.
So even Sir Tenzing Norgay Sherpa was our field director. Okay, listen to me, guys. This is important. Sir Tenzing Norgay Sherpa, he was our chief instructor, or so to say, field director, very first field director. But Sir Nawang Gambu, he is also one of the legend, considered as a legend of mountaineering. He was one of the longest serving field director of HMI. So we have celebrities, a legacy of celebrities. All right. But I'm mentioning about Chorten. I just want you guys to know one thing. आप जब Chorten approach करते हैं, you should always, move through your left. Clear? Whenever you're going somewhere, I mean, if you find this kind of relics, if you find this kind of Chorten, you're always supposed to go through your
On the left.
left side, right?
जाने के टाइम पे या बस तुम्हारे वापस आते समय जानते थे
Yes, there wheels, right? Those are known as mane. Even those are supposed to be rotated what? Outwards, not inwards. You know why? Because in Buddhism we have a belief that prayer should not be meant for us. It should be meant for others.
Others.
All the beings. That's why we bless the word with our prayers. If we pull it inwards, that means prayer itself is not selfless, right? It has to be outward. Clear?
Clear, sir.
यहाँ पे जब हम left से जाते हैं, it symbolizes the same thing. And about Buddhism, you will get to see many things like monasteries, all the prayer flags and all. So along the way, as the course passes, right? You guys can ask me all these things about Buddhism. I will be more than happy to clear it for you. All right?
Okay, sir.
And another point, yes, एक problem हुआ था Bhutan में. Right? Indians are taxed nowadays. You guys are aware of it?
Yes.
But you know why?
Yes.
Why?
They climbed on
Some climbed on
these,
that and
Chortens.
click the
Yes.
photos.
People, we should be very considerate about others' religious beliefs, right? So what happened was like people were, just climbing on this kind of holy structures and taking pictures and all those things. And Bhutan is very emotional regarding all this stuff. So as a result, the whole, other people who were very enthusiastic about visiting Bhutan, they had to pay the price. All right. So I hope you guys will make people aware about all these things. And yes, we ourselves are not going to do it. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Done?
Done.
That's it. So this particular